we're here again. Iikot kami sa kabilang side. Now we're walking here. That's the Suba. That's where the carabao and the cow swim. This is their swimming pool. Ooh, see that? So nice. The picturesque view of Nueva Valencia rice field. Camaras. Mana ko picture sa kahoy? That is Makoy, my nephew. This is my niece Ella. Oh, couple bird. Wala na. And fly by high the butterfly. Asam tama lipat dito dapat? Hangi asa ka? You lead the way.
Aday, kabot sa kayo.
Uy, paghinay. Asa man ka? Ani ko diri ha? No.